Welcome back to Aqua Platycodon. Today we're talking about the ATM skimming scam, where fraudsters steal your card information by tampering with ATM machines. How the scam works. Scammers place skimming devices on ATMs to capture the information on your card's magnetic stripe. They may also install hidden cameras to record your PIN as you enter it. Once they have this data, they can clone your card and withdraw money from your account. Real case example. In 2023, police in Texas discovered skimming devices on ATMs across the state, stealing card information from unsuspecting users. Some victims lost thousands of dollars before the scam was detected. How to protect yourself. To protect yourself, always check the card reader for loose parts or anything that looks suspicious. Cover the keypad when entering your PIN, and if possible, use ATMs located inside banks, which are harder to tamper with. Thanks for watching Aqua Platycodon. Stay safe and always be cautious when using ATMs.